You woke up one day and out of nowhere, an idea hits you. It feels like that's the one. Maybe you've been thinking about making a change, exploring something new, or giving your life a fresh direction. And then this business idea hits you. It's clear, bold, and impossible to ignore. You feel excited, you feel energized, and ready to bring it to life. But then reality sets in. How do you take this idea and actually turn it into money? Most advice will tell you work hard or just take action. But let's be real. If it were that simple, everyone would succeed. The truth is, there's more to it than just doing. The real work begins internally. Success starts with who you are, not just what you do. Think of your idea like a seed, but a seed doesn't grow on its own. It needs the right soil, sunlight, water, and care. The soil is your subconscious mind, and your beliefs, values, and self-concept are the nutrients. If your internal environment is full of doubt, fear, or limiting beliefs, that seed doesn't stand a chance. For example, let's say you want to start a business. You might know the external steps, like you know that you need to create a product, to market it, and to sell it. But what if deep down you don't believe you are capable of running a business or that you deserve success? You'll unconsciously sabotage yourself. You'll notice that your actions will feel forced, inconsistent, and unproductive. That's why the first step to turning your idea into money isn't about what you do externally. It's about how you are internally. You need to fully believe deep down that you are already the person capable of bringing this idea to life. When you genuinely embody that belief, your actions naturally shift. You stop trying to make it happen and start showing up as someone who knows it's already possible. That's when things really start to move because you're no longer working against yourself, but with yourself. And once you aligned internally, you can move to the next step, clarity. When I say clarity, I don't just mean knowing what to do. I mean understanding why this idea matters to you and how it aligns with your values. If your idea is vague, your results will be vague. For instance, imagine you want to create an online course to help people live better lives. Sounds nice, but it's too broad. Who are you helping? What tangible result will your course deliver? Clarity bridges the gap between your internal vision and external action. It turns your idea into a focused plan, making it easy to take steps that align with your values and goals. What value do I want to create with this idea? Who will benefit from it? What specific result am I aiming for? When you answer these questions, it helps you stay focused. So every action you take feels intentional and aligned with who you truly are and what matters to you. Now, here's something no one tells you. Action doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be consistent. When you are aligned internally and clear on your goals, your actions naturally flow from a place of confidence and authenticity. The reality is, the first version of your idea might be messy, and that's okay. What matters is taking the first step, learning from it, and improve as you go. For example, if your idea is to start a fitness program, don't wait until you've created the perfect videos or build the perfect website. You can start by offering a free class to a small group. You get feedback and you refine your approach. This not only improves your idea, but also builds momentum. You've probably heard the advice, follow your passion and the money will come. Personally, While I think passion is important, I don't think it's enough. I believe money follows value. Value is what happens when your passion intersects with a real need in the world. Your passion might light the fire, but the value you provide is what sustains it. For example, if you're passionate about baking, but your cakes don't taste good, people won't buy them just because you love making them. But if you use your passion to create cakes that people can't resist, now you're adding value, and that's what people will pay for. The key is to align your passion with what others need. That's where the real transformation happens. Above all, belief is non-negotiable. If you don't believe in your idea, no one else will. Your belief is the foundation that everything else rests on. Belief isn't just wishful thinking. It's a deep, unshakable uncertainty that your idea is worth pursuing. Because that's what will keep you going when things get hard and helps you navigate setbacks without losing momentum. When I first started creating content, there were days when no one was watching, liking, or engaging. It was discouraging, but I reminded myself that belief comes first. If you don't believe in what you are doing, why would anyone else? So belief is your anchor. Like I said, it's the thing that will keep you going even when things feel messy or uncertain. Without belief, there's no real foundation to build on. Now let's talk about patience. Turning an idea into money doesn't happen overnight. It's easy to look at someone else's success and think they got there instantly. But you're not seeing the years of internal and external work behind it. Building something meaningful takes time. But if you stay aligned internally, clear on your goals, and consistent in your actions, success becomes inevitable. So here's the real process for turning your idea into money. 1. Start internally. Cultivate the belief that you are already the person who can bring your idea into life. 2. Find clarity. Align your idea with your values and define the specific value you want to create. 3. Take imperfect action. Progress beats perfection. Start small, learn, and iterate. 4. Focus on value. Align your passion with what others need, and money will follow. 5. Stay patient. Consistency and belief will get you where you want to go. Your idea is the seed. Your internal work is the soil. Together, they create the foundation for something incredible. But the question is, are you ready to start? Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Darlene. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe for more content like this one. And as always, in you, I see love, the binding thread, and beauty, the unique, clear spark. Until next time, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.